exercise. Listen carefully to the short conversation and question in the recording, and then choose the best answer to the question. You should look for synonyms for key words in the second line. Number 1.
What did you think of the final exam in algebra?
It was too easy.
What does the man mean? Number 2.
How are you feeling today?
I'm really feeling rather sick.
How is the man feeling? Number 3.
Has your family been in business for quite some time?
No, the family business was just established last year.
What does the woman say about the family business? Number 4.
Did you have to wait at the airport for a long time?
No, the plane landed right on schedule.
What does the man mean? Number 5.
Do you want to join me in the pool?
Oh, I'll just run and put my suit on.
What does the woman imply? Number 6.
Last night's fire burned the entire hillside.
At least the homes were saved.
What does the woman mean? Number 7.
Should I add more salt and pepper to the soup?
No, I think there's enough.
What does the woman mean? Number 8.
How are you able to pay your college fees?
I was fortunate to get a scholarship.
What does the man mean? Number 9.
How successful was the corporation last year?
It made quite a big profit.
What does the woman say about the corporation? Number 10.
Chuck is on his way to the bank now, isn't he?
Yes, he is. He thinks his bank account is overdrawn.
What does the man mean?